great video for you today. A few weeks ago, we actually had a subscriber who asked us some questions about belts, and we thought it would be a great opportunity for a video. She wanted to know things like how to know which belt to use, what color, how to style them, how to style her shirts. So we thought, why not make a video about it?
Exactly, and it's not like we don't get enough use out of belts. I probably even use them a little bit more than Kelly does because I got a whole lot of stuff going on here in the middle.
They're really great for so many things. They're great accessories. So we've got so many good tips for you guys today and some great eye candy of belts to show you as well.
Exactly, and if you guys haven't already, please subscribe if you guys are interested in videos about fashion, looking for budget-friendly items, if you want to see some tips and tricks, and as well as also make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like these kinds of tips and tricks videos, as well as also leaving us a comment down below. So our first tip, and my personal favorite, is wearing the same colored belt as the jeans that I'm wearing. And the reason why I like to do that is because I have a much longer torso and shorter bottoms. So if I was to wear a belt of a different color, let's say, it would actually shorten my legs. However, if I have like black jeans on and I wear a black belt, it really helps to continue just adding like an elongated look on the bottom half of me. Now I know you do this as well. Do you use it for the same reason?
No, I actually use it differently because I have a very short torso. But for me, I sometimes like to wear the same color belt as my jeans because I like to kind of pull in the waist and kind of define it. For me, I have a very rectangular build with not a lot of waist definition. So the same color belt, it kind of gives me that waist definition. So it's a great way to keep your outfit, you know, really like clean lines, but give you that waist that you're looking for.
So it's doing double duty here, guys. Same colored jeans with same colored belt.
So our second favorite way to use belts is as an accent piece. And just a few years ago, I really kind of discovered this. I hadn't worn belts for so many years. It just really wasn't my thing. I wasn't really into belts. And then that, you know, famous Gucci belt kind of came into fashion, and I just really dabbled with like, do I want to try that style? But let me tell you, statement belts are really just a game changer, and it doesn't have to be, you know, a Gucci designer belt. There's lots of great dupes out there on Amazon. We'll try to link some good ones for you. But as you can see on Christina, you know, just adding this statement belt to a simple white top and jeans, it really can turn it into an outfit. And you know, another way to do that would be with a pop of color.
Right.
They just add a little something to a simple outfit.
Yeah, and one of my favorite things to do is to use a printed belt. So whether it's like leopard print, yes, my favorite. They've also got great snake print belts out. There's also like the snow leopards. I mean, there's so many different crocodile styles. So there's just a bunch of different ones. And usually the pieces, our basics that we're grabbing, are very, you know, neutral in color. There's not a whole lot of activity going on. So sometimes when you go out, you might feel like, you know, like I love all the pieces that I'm wearing, but I just need to add a little something extra to it to elevate it a little bit. And adding a statement belt or a colored belt or a printed belt, it's just that detail that will really help to kind of put everything together and make your outfit just pop.
Absolutely. That's definitely one of our favorite tricks that we use. So you'll see a lot of that if you watch our videos. You know, the leopard, the big statement, the pop of color like a red, or, you know, whatever seasonal color is. It's a great way to try a trend too. So it's just a wonderful accent to keep in mind.
And the third tip we wanted to share with you, which is specifically from one of the comments that we had from one of our subs, which was, what size belt should I get? So obviously there are very small, thin little belts, and we love seeing those kinds of belts with dresses, as well as even peplum tops. People who are a lot smaller in stature as well as also body shape, these kinds of belts really will work best for you. As well as also you can go to the opposite end of the spectrum and have much larger belts that really kind of, you know, are just a huge statement around your waist. And those are great for fuller figured women or those that just have a curvier body shape.
And for us, we typically tend to go with a more medium-sized belt. I would say most of the belts that we're wearing are probably between 1 and 2 inches. A lot of times they're in that 1.5 inch width. And those for us, they're just, probably for most people, they're just the easiest to wear. They kind of work on all body types. They fit into, you know, your regular sized belt loop, and they're just a great way to, you know, define a waist, add a pop of color, you know, just add a statement to any outfit. So, and another fun way is, you know, they can tie in like a shoe with something. So we tend to grab those, you know, middle, medium sized 1 to 2 inch width belts, and they're just very easy everyday style belts. So this next tip is all about how to style your shirts to really show off your belt. So the first way you can style them is just your basic full-on tuck, where you tuck in your entire shirt. And of course, you know, a lot of us like to give it a little bit of a pull to loosen it up a little bit. But this tuck is really best for those people who have a very defined waistline, are super confident with, you know, showing off all of their waist all the way around, and want to just define it with that belt and show off the belt. So that is the first way to tuck your shirt, and you'll show your belt all the way around.
I really love that look. However, I'm always going to be using tuck number 2.
Same here.
Which is just using the front tuck. And the reason why you want to use a front tuck is maybe you're just not as confident in that area. You've got maybe a little bit of mommy belly here after having kids, or you might have an issue with some muffin top, so you like having to have some material draping over the sides, or you might also be a little bit self-conscious of like your rear, and you like to have a shirt that will, you know, kind of conceal that area. So the front tuck is definitely going to be your friend time and time again, and one that we use religiously.
Yeah, I love this tuck. I also think that it does a good job of creating like a little bit of a V. So you are, you know, seeing whatever part of the belt that you want to show off. So you're seeing that little bit of an accent, but you're also just having the material nicely flow over the sides and just create that nice streamlined shape. It also, both of these tucks will work well underneath a blazer or a jacket, and if you have it open, you'll still be able to see, you know, that belt that you're using to accentuate everything.
Exactly. So now that you know whether you want to accentuate your waist, use a pop of color, you've figured out what size belt you want to have, but the best part now is you can just figure out, okay, well, which tuck is really going to work best for me to show that belt off.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some great inspiration for incorporating belts into your looks.
And don't forget to share this video if you like it, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!